what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. Holy moly, with this massive crash we're having today. Basically correction from the entire push from yesterday with the news, with the FOMC news. Look at this massive, huge, correction after that push. So what is actually happening right now? Why is this market just pulling back everything that pushed up yesterday? Pretty much is correcting, guys. Again, this is caused by news. This push right here was caused by the news. There are a lot of momentum, a lot of injection into the markets. Remember, the things are still bad. The high inflation is still there. The war in Ukraine is still there. Everything is still there. We're still having this week with the earnings report. So some of those companies are still struggling and showing the reports. They're having losses. Some of them are having small wins. But in overall, things are still as they are, So just because we had a correction yesterday, a big push yesterday caused by the news, doesn't mean that the market is going to continue pushing. No, because we still have everything else in there. We still have the inflation, the war in Ukraine. Until this is all over, the market can still be very, very choppy and indecisive. So it's just that the market will be ranging. I pretty much, we're getting into an era right now where the market will be just ranging and ranging, maybe pushing up later, breaking on the structure, going up, but then it will start going down again. It will start getting into a lot of ranges. Okay, so we will have to, unfortunately, we will have to adapt to all these type of things that are going on right now in the market. So what I did basically this morning is I just I spotted a nice little sale. It was very clear. I mean, look at this. I just barely took 110 pips, and after that, the market just kept going and going and going and going and going. I'm fine. As I mentioned, I don't want to be greedy how the on how the markets are acting right now. So I think this 110 pips, like, I can humbly say that is more than enough for me today. Okay, markets are very, very crazy and hectic, and I don't recommend you guys acting or going greedy with this thing, because it can easily turn around and do the opposite. Okay, so spotted this nice wedge formation, this triangle right here, and I did send it to the VIP signal. This was the only setup that I was able to send, because it went down so fast. This 5-minute candle when it started breaking, it was going down so fast. I wanted to send my team the actual US 30 sale, but I didn't. I did send the analysis before, and I'm going to show you here. Hold on, allow me a second here to show you that in this morning, let's see here. Yeah, this was this morning right here. I did send them before the breakout happened. But because, of course, I don't have 3 eyes to keep an eye open on the 3 of them, and I have only 1 hand, I was watching US 30 when it was breaking, so I make the entry, took the screenshot, and sent it to the team. And at the same time, look, it was so fast that it was a late entry for the team. It was really fast. That 5-minute candle, it went down so fast. So for me to make the entry manually and then to take the screenshot to send it to the team, it was really, really fast. And also, of course, by the time I was concentrating on sending this signal, Nasdaq had already dropped. So I told my team, guys, no, this is already gone, potentially gone already. So if it's kind of risky to get in there. But I mean, today, with that massive dank, with that massive drop, even if you entered, I mean, just think about it, even if you entered on this candle, as soon as that candle closed, you would have still got that chance to catch this entire, I mean, look, and it continues crashing. At least I like the 1 to 2 risk to reward. That's my favorite risk to reward ratio. So you would have still catch the 1 to 2. But of course, I didn't want it to go crazy today, because I know how the markets are. So, and you know, just taking a few pips on US 30 and that's it. I am out. At least I follow my rule, I stick to my plan. Simple breakout of a structure and jumping in on that one. So I'm happy for the day. I'm also happy because the market did ended up going the direction I wanted. It's not going to happen all the time, but I mean, look at this massive drop. It's already almost correcting the entire push from yesterday with the news. So the market pushed up yesterday. It did drop a little bit, but let's say in overall it pushed up 1,000 pips, and now going down about 728 pips. So almost the complete entire push from that. So that's US 30, Nasdaq also. And look at the stocks right now. This is all red. This is bloody day already. Look at that. Look at that huge push on Nasdaq now, almost, you know, the entire correcting the entire drop. S&P 500 also, just look at that. Another drop right there. We didn't catch this one either because, of course, as I mentioned, it was moving fast, and S&P 500 was already broken below, but didn't catch this one either. But at least all the scenarios right there today, it was looking for a sell. Now, as I mentioned, things are correcting. Things are still bad. Okay, a lot of indecision. For the market to show or continue showing a clear direction. This is struggling, and it's been struggling like that for the past 2 weeks now. Just talking about the earnings report is just that. Okay, now on top of that, you add the inflation and you add the war in Ukraine. Well, you can imagine. So still, guys, this confirms that the market will still be in range. There's nothing we can do about it right now, or other than just try to follow. I wish that every day at least the market could show a direction like that, you know, at least, and it'd be very nice. But it's not, you know, it's not always going to be this nice. We are going to have a lot of choppy days. Even on 5-minute time frame, the market will give you a, let's say, a 100 pip move up, and then the next candle another 100 pip move down, and then the next candle another 200 pip moves up, and then the next candle 300 pips move down, and so on. It can get that bad, it can get that choppy. Look at this day, for example, right here. Look at this other day right here. So things are like that, unfortunately, at this point. Not all the time you're gonna have a big push like this or a big drop like this, unfortunately. Okay, so it is what it is, guys. We have to keep adapting, right? And if you're interested, guys, and follow me on my free group on Telegram, I do post setups in there as well. I did show a few things today on the group because, you know, I'm trying to focus on my students, and even from the free group, to keep learning. And if you guys are struggle, I recommend you watching the playlist from, you know, from my YouTube channel. You can learn a lot of things in there just by watching that. If you're still struggling even after watching those playlists that I have, you know, for the TP strategy, diamond strategy, I have a bunch of strategies in there that will work, believe me. If you're still struggling, just reach out to me, okay? You can also check out my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. I am still offering for the entire month of May a bundle, you know, a 40% discount, which is only $70, which includes a course, a mentorship, and a VIP single group for life as part of that. Okay, again, if you're new, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. It motivates me to keep posting videos every single day and keep you guys updated on how indices are doing. Also subscribe, you know, so you won't miss any of this content. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy.